Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of doing the section. So we've just finished doing the floor slab. This is floor slab, and then we will proceed to determine the height of the building. Okay, so if you can see, my floor slab is being supported by the ground floor beam. Just make sure whenever you do floor slab on the ground, you still need ground beam. Okay, so it's something like this. This ground beam, as you an architecture student in the diploma level, as long as you have this beam and as long as the position is not bad and almost correct, it's fine. It doesn't have to be accurate. Okay, so the height of this building, I'm using standard height 3,300. Okay, so I want to calculate the height usually from finished floor level. So this is what we call this one. Okay, from here it's what we call finished floor level. Okay, so from here to the ceiling, I'm going to make it 3,300. Okay, and then like that. Okay, so that is my ceiling, and when I cut this one, I have another wall looking at here. So this is a cut section, and this is my elevation. So I'm going to change this to elevation lines. Okay, just imagine you're standing on this line, and what are you seeing? So here I have another wall. It's the toilet wall. What else do I have? And I have a door over here. So for the door, I need to get it from the CAD library. Alright, so from this CAD library, I'll just choose one. Okay, my door is opening over here, so that means the hinges is over here. So that means I should choose this one. But it's okay, you can mirror these items later on. So you just paste here. V, and just change this thing first into door and window, and this is just an indication line, so I'm using the hatching, and this one change to hidden line. Okay, this is hidden line. Okay, alright, that's it. And then the doorknob. Okay, so color this one and turn this one into a block. I have to change this layer and this layer to layer 0. By layer. Okay. So this one, I wanted to change this into window, door and roof. Okay, now when you stand here at the cut section line, you will see a door. So you just find where the frame is, and you just drag over here, and then you can bring your door over here. Okay, so that means mine is a bit smaller. Okay, let's calculate this one. 760. Okay, so I have to edit in the block editor. This one offset to 760 mm, and bring this one here. Close block editor. Okay, now we have changed the door size because it's a toilet door, so it's supposed to be lesser than that. Alright, so this is like an internal wall, and I'm using an open space concept, so I don't want it to be too high. I just want it to be 2500. Okay, so this wall only up until here. Okay, so I have a wall of the toilet. So what I meant is like over here. Okay, just a few part only 2500. Okay. Okay, this one is affected by the roof. So later on, if once we draw the roof now, and we can determine the heights of this one. But for the door area, I just want it to be higher than that. And perhaps I'm going to make this one following the roof line. So this one, if I attach to the roof, okay, it will follow exactly the shapes of the roof. Okay, so let's move on. So the reason I show you 3D is because I want you to be able to visualize what I'm saying. Okay, I hope it's much better for you to see the differences. Okay, so now here got another door, but this door is actually a bit in front. So what we can do is we can draw this, draw the what we call, this is the door leaf of the sliding door. So frame this one. So for this door, I'm using the track style. So I'm going to have like a some sort of track railing for this one. Okay, but if you notice, this is not a cut section. This is just a wall elevation, but on top of it is a cut section. I hope you will understand what I'm saying. So this area is cut, but the other one is just elevation lines. So here, so this is cut section, but this is elevation lines. So this is where you get this elevation lines, where this is cut already. Okay, so I have a sliding door with the track on top of it. It's like a track rail, and then this is elevation lines, and this is cut section. That means my my wall is being cut open like this. Sorry, I just draw a simple drawing only. I hope you will understand by this drawing. So it's like that lah. Okay, so this is the elevation of the wall, and this is where I cut it. Okay, imagine we cut through this one. Okay, imagine I cut through this one, so I'm seeing the elevation, and this is my wall which is being cut. Alright, so this takes a few steps one by one. So you need to go area by area. So we've done this area, and I'm going to have another wall lines over here. So this is another elevation lines. This is just like what you did with your manual drawings. I think drawing 1, if I'm not mistaken. So this is another door. Okay, I'm going to take another door over here. Hopefully it's the same size. Change this one to hidden lines and line type scale around 20, and then the hinges, the doorknob. The doorknob, you can just assume the size. There's a specific size, but you can just assume if you want. Okay, but the doorknob should be the same size as this one, but I just drawing it as fast as I can. So we can block this one. 100. Okay. This one. So I have a wall elevation here, and then a door over here, and then for the bed you can draw it later. Okay, so I have this one, and then I have, okay, another area is the pool area. So for the pool, I just wanted to make it 400. So only until here. Okay, and then another one, I don't want this wall to be too high, so I just want it to be at certain height. So maybe I'll just put only until here, same level of this one, because I want to make an open space concept. So that's why. Alright, so okay, so that's it for the second part. The third part, I will show you how to draw the roof. Okay, so we just leave until here. By the way, don't forget that we have like a glass area over here, something that looks like this. So for the glass, it's also like a door. If you have, it should have like a framing system. And it depends on the size of your glass door. Okay, if mine, I'm using quite a high glass all the way up until the roof, so I'm going to stop at the beam. So there will be a roof beam over here. My roof beam would be 400.